welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok not working problem solve. So before starting the video, so I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So guys, first of all, what you need to do, you have to download one VPN from Google Play Store or App Store, and then you have to connect the VPN with a USA server, and then after it your TikTok application will automatically work. So let me just repeat it. First of all, you have to download VPN, any VPN application from Google Play Store or App Store, and then after that you have to connect with USA server, and the problem will absolutely solve. And if it is not solved, then just uninstall your TikTok and reinstall it, switch off your phone, and you can try it out. It will absolutely work for you. Thanks for watching guys, see you soon on the next video.